is MJ Melendez. Righty on the mound, lefty in the box, first pitch. Lost to Iowa on Sunday. The 0-1 pitch. Outside, 1-1. Infield plays him well at the pole, and the 1-1. Swing and a miss, chase the slider in the 1-2. Hernandez into his motion, deals home. Again, bounce. Here's the pitch. Bounce softly the other way. Young charges in at third, nearly at the shortstop position. He fields in the second half. First pitch home to the right-hand batter. His caught doubles, 4 home runs for him in 12 games. The pitch. Outside. Blanco has 4 long balls. The 2-1. Ground ball hit to the left at the shortstop Cruz. He fields and sidearms the throw to first. First pitch to the left-handed batting first baseman Biggio. Swing and a miss, strike 1. Is pronouncing it Biggio. The 0-1. Foul tipped into the glove of the infield as well. It'll pull, shaded to the right side of the 0-2 pitch. Tried to hold up his swing but couldn't on a slider that steps into the batter's box. The first pitch from the righty, Hernandez, is taken. Here's the pitch. Outside, driven in. The 1-1. Down and away. To get pardon, 9 hits at Fifth Third Field. The 2-1. It's taken for a strike. Big Mike Hessman fan. The pitch. Taken for a ball on deck. Hernandez into his wind. He deals. Is into his wind. The payoff pitch to Wiemer. Cued softly to the right at the second baseman Lee. He fields and throws to first. I beg your pardon. 6 straight games going back to June the 17th. First pitch. Yes. The 0-1 pitch to Tresh. Down and away. Now Kyle Hayes is in the picture. The 1-1. Outside, 2-1 weekend. The pitch. Swing and a miss. It's 2-2. 2 balls and 2 strikes. The pitch. Cued softly. Again to the right. Again to the second baseman Lee. He fields and makes a quick throw. Here's the first pitch to the left-handed batting catcher. Fouled off the mask of 3 doubles, 5 homers. The 0-1. Down low, 1-1. The pitch. That's low. 2 balls and a strike. Here's the pitch. Call the strike up and in. The Kreidler's shaded towards left. The 2-2. There's a slider taken low. And the 3-2 pitch. High for ball 4. First pitch. Bounce softly to the left at the shortstop Cruz. He backhands it, throws to first in time to end the inning. Red tops. The 1-2 pitch. There's a slider call chasers. First pitch to Castillo. Diego looks at strike. Leaves. It's 2 big yellow mud hen feathers. The 0-1 is taking cap with the mud hen face logo, the red brim. 0-2 to Castillo. He tried to hold up his swing on a slider low in the first base box. Here's the first pitch. It is a long pause. Pitch clock down to 2. He deals. Tipped off the home plate umpire. Here's the 0-2 to MJ. Slider down and in. Here's the first pitch to Blanco. Fly ball lifted the other way to right field. Justin Henry Malloy in a few steps. He makes the catch. And there's one. The first pitch. Biggio takes ball 1. The pitch. Field the pull, outfield the gap in left center, and the 1-2 pitch is outside here and over his black glove. Steps back into his motion, twists and deals. Biggio appearances for Omaha today. 6th of this one coming up to Biggio. Just flipped inning. That's all. We'll see. The 2-2 misses inside of the. Here's the 3-2 pitch. Outside, ball 4. Biggio driver. The first pitch. Foul tip into the 0-1. Is high. Hometown ballpark. The 1-1. Outside. The 2-1. Foul straight. The pitch to Wiemer. Line drive to the left at the third baseman Young. Biggio scamper. First pitch. Tresh looks at, for example. The 1-0. DH Luca Tresh. 2-0 pitch is hit high in the air to left center. Ryan Kreidler races back onto the warning track. A couple of steps in front of the wall. He was starting a pair of walks. The first pitch to Carter Jensen. Left-handed batter looks at striking face today. The pitch is in the dirt. And the 1-1 to Jensen. Homers to this point for him in his first 2 weeks. The 2-1 is day at the zoo, evening at the ball game. 2-2. Cut out of Casey the Lion. 3-2 pitch. Flied high the other way, well hit into left center. Kreidler races back to the warning track, to the wall, and got a home. Here's the first pitch from Hernandez. That's Detroit in September of 2018. The 0-1 is down games at Double-A Erie. Now the pitch. Fouled straight back. The count won about 350 games. The 1-2. Flip to center. Kreidler had him played perfectly. The center fielder was shaded slightly. Bases empty, one out on the fifth. First pitch. Wilson swings and misses for coming on. The 0-1. Bounce to the right. Valencia charges in at first. He fields it, and an underhand Castillo, the number 9 hitter for Omaha. Here's the pitch. Down and away. Played at 5 in the second, 2 in the fifth. The 2-0 against the Mudhens. Time with both Indianapolis and St. Paul. 2-1 is down and away. 3-1 pitch to Diego Castillo. His fly to the left. Shortstop Cruz goes out. Left fielder Hicklin comes in, and it's the shortstop Cruz.